how to cancel or modify a Shake Shack order online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you made a Shake Shack order but need to change it, well in today's video I'll show you how to cancel or modify your order online quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can then just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, you can simply log in with a credential and once logged in, you can simply go to my orders or order history and there you will see a list of all your recent orders including the pending and completed ones. So there simply find the order you want to change and if your order hasn't been prepared yet you will see options to cancel or modify. So there you can just click the option you need like cancel to confirm that your order is cancelled and your payment may be refunded or modify to change items, quantities or pickup time before you finalize the order. So there simply pick your choice and confirm the changes. And after you do that, you'll see a confirmation message or email letting you know that your change was successful. And if your order is already being prepared, you can't cancel order. So there, you simply have to contact the Shake Shack customer support immediately for assistance. And that's it. Canceling or modifying your Shake Shack order online is simple if you act quickly. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.